Hello everyone and welcome to my very first video tutorial of 2014 WordPress guide beginning to professional from scratch. It's an overview of the course that what we will learn in this course. So we will start from the domain registration, hosting and adding the domain to the hosting and installing the WordPress on our cPanel. After that a little bit WordPress introduction like the setting, command, tools, post, media, themes, and we will also install the plugins that are required to run a successful blog and make our work easier. After that we will optimize the load time of our website because it's an important factor in Google's eye for ranking. We will learn to create the backup and also learn the security, how to protect our website against hackers. We will also submit our website to Google and Bing Webmaster so we can control our website over the search engine. To give our website a brand, we will also create the social profile like the Facebook page, the Twitter account, LinkedIn profile, YouTube channel, and many other social profile. We will also research the niche and the keyword so we can find the keyword that have low competition and high search volume. We will also learn the on-page SEO factors and as well as the off-page SEO factors. I will not leave you with the basic WordPress information. I will also show you the basic of SEO. After that, we will learn the method that we can implement to earn money with our website. So this is the overview of 2014 WordPress guide, and thank you.